Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open, and after the market opening, we saw two or three red candles on the chart of DXY, and right now DXY is standing at 113.11. So yes, there was some profit booking, some sort of correction, but it was not massive. So Monday market is opening, not working normally. Okay, my dear friends, if you are looking for detailed analysis of the Euro USD chart, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I will not be repeating the same stuff, uh, because I do not want to bore you again and again. So overall, we can see that there has not been much changes on the chart. So the levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. So first of all, DXY, after the opening, yes, there was some correction, but we can see that market is trying to go up again. So the first resistance of DXY, 113.6070 to 113.90, is still a valid level. I think that DXY will try to go up again. If market reverses, then we may see some recovery on the chart of Euro USD. But yes, if DXY breaks this particular level here, then obviously it will be heading towards the next resistance of 114.50 to 114.80, this level. Okay, do not forget that overall the chart of DXY is extremely bullish, and DXY will remain bullish. After all, still we do not have any fundamental factor that will bring a complete trend reversal. Okay, I'm talking about especially swing traders and position traders, that you should be following the trend of the market. Now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. Okay, you can see after the market opening, there was some small upside on the chart of euro dollar, but again we can see that the selling pressure is still very much present, and we cannot deny that. Market is under consolidation right now. So if if euro USD comes to 0.9700, please be alert. Okay, because if market breaks this particular level here, if market breaks 0.9700 level, okay, then you can take a sell position. There is not much room for you, but you can at least expect a profit of 25 to 30 pips, because 0.9670 is the next target. Okay, as I just said, the market is under consolidation right now. So as a result, you cannot expect a huge profit or a complete fall on the market. Okay, because if you look at the chart of DXY also, overall the chart of DXY may be bullish. Okay, overall the chart of DXY may be bullish, but if we just consider the present trend of DXY, okay, do you see a bullish market? Do you see a bullish market? No, DXY is also under consolidation. So as a result, do not expect huge profit right now until unless we get the required volatility. Okay, right now we do not have the volatility. Okay, let's wait for a couple of days, probably we'll get it. So if market breaks this level, you can take a sell position, but if you are planning to take a position in the middle of the chart right now, then you should strictly avoid, because see, right now if you take a buy position here, then obviously your stop loss will be here. So your stop loss is huge, because this will be your target. Similarly, if you take a sell position here, your stop loss will be here, this is your target. So your risk to reward will not match. So as a result, taking a position in this market condition is not at all ideal. Okay, because you'll be just acting as a gambler. Okay, and during the European session or US session, if market goes up, then obviously 0.9800, okay, will may not will may, okay, 0.9800 may act as resistance in the market, because we have seen for the last couple of days that whenever market tried to go up, okay, there was some selling pressure around this level, 0.9800, 0.9810, 0.9790, around this level. This is a resistance zone. Okay, not a fixed price, this is a resistance zone. So if market goes up and reverse from this particular level here, we can consider a sell position as well. But my dear friends, Right now we do not see much volatility in the market, so as a result do not expect a huge profit until unless we see some crazy move on the chart of DXY. And whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your hard-earned capital. Okay, I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Not much things to discuss on the chart of Euro USD right now. Okay, this is it. Bye bye, take care.